Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the Cambridge AS and A level mathematics paper 1 from Feb-March 2024. So I am just starting a S level paper, so let me know in the comment section, which is very valuable for me. So how do you like the video, and how is the explanation and feedback about the improvements, whatever you feel. So kindly let me know in the comment section. So the first question that we have here, find the exact value of 3 to infinity. This is integration 2 over x squared. We have the limit from 3 to infinity, and this we can write it down as 2 and x power minus 2. Right, then we will differentiate it. Then when you are going to differentiate this is going to become 2x, this is negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1, right. So then we have the limits. Limit is from 3 to infinity, right. So this will become 2x power minus 1 over minus 1. Again the limits that we have is here 3 to infinity. Then we will write it down as this can be written as negative 2 over x, and the limits are 3 to infinity. Now just substitute the values. So this is negative 2 over infinity minus 2 over 3, right. So this is 0 plus 2 over 3. So we have the final answer as 2 over 3. So this is our answer, right. Now number 2, we have a question that the graph is here. The graph shows part of the curve with the equation y equals to k sine half x, where k is a positive constant and x is measured in radians. The curve has minimum point A. So this is minimum point A. State the coordinates of A. So as we have this, the equation that we have here is y equals to k sine of half x, right. Now as you know that the periodicity of this, we can see that graph from here, this is 0 and this one here is pi, and this is 2 pi, and this is 3 pi, and this is 4 pi, right. So we have the curve as we have to find out the periodicity of this first. So the periodicity of is equal to 2 pi over coefficient of x, So 2 pi over half, that is 4 pi, right. So you can see the periodicity here is 4 pi. Okay. So what will be the value of A then? So A is going to be here, A is going to be, you see A is here at 3 pi, right. So that is 3 pi, and value of this can be any, because we can just take it as a k. So this is k, and this is negative k, and that is positive k. So the coordinates are going to be 3 pi minus k, where k is greater than 0, right. Now the second one, a sequence of transformations is applied to the curve in the following order. Translation of 2 units, we have translation of 2 units in negative y direction and then reflection in x axis. Find the equation of the new curve and determine the coordinates of the point on the new curve corresponding to A. So for that, first of all, let us take the equation. We have k sine half x, right. So after the reflection, after translation, we have translation of 2 units here. So after translation, this will become y equals to k sine half x, remains as it is, and translation of 2 in a negative direction, negative y direction. So, that is minus 2, right. Then there is a reflection in x axis. So, what happens in the reflection? In the reflection we are going to change this, and then it is followed by the reflection. So, from here what will this become? This will become minus y equals to, I can just write it down as like k sine half x, right. So, that means our y is going to become, because this is negative, we are going to put multiply by negative side. So, this is going to be sine half x, right. So, this is the equation of new curve. Okay. This is the equation of new curve. Now, we have to determine the coordinates of the point on the new curve. So, for the coordinates, so if you see here we have this, can just explain again, this is x y. So, once we reflect, so this becomes, x will remain positive and y is negative. That is why we changed the sign here after reflection. So, for part B, that is I mean just the second one from here. So, we had A as 3 pi and minus k. So, this is going to be translated. So, this was the translation, that becomes A dash, which will become 3 pi and minus k minus 2, right. So, k minus 2 from here we will take, then this is going to be A double dash, that will become after the reflection. This is going to be after that the reflection, right. So, this is 3 pi and k plus 2 after the reflection. So, our new coordinate is going to be 3 pi and 2 plus k or k plus 2.